Messi, 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 immens Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi.
Movement.
Got a session today. Let's see what's inside this though. That's that good air. Nozzle. Ball in hand. Give it. No. Wrong process. Thank you. That's right, people. Never, ever, 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 ever pump the football with a dry nozzle. Anyway, got a session today. Gonna enjoy it. Gonna use these new footballs. Gonna try them out. And it's gonna be a good one. We're gonna get lots out of it. A lot of passing stuff, some dribbling, and of course some shooting. It's gonna be a nice routine session. But we keep developing the same player over and over again and get them to their best.
That's a red card for me. Red card. Right, you got that.
جمال 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 يا له من لمين
Messi, 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 immens Messi, encara Messi, encara Messi.
Movement.